about to go across the bridge to the USA from the airport. It's pretty cool. This is the actual border. So where are we? We're in no man's land.
No man's land.
I think we're in no man's land. See? Can't go that way. We're going to go over a bridge. This is so cool. Look! Mexican border. This is wild. I've never done a border like this before. Thanks, Chris, for letting us know about this one.
Yeah, cool. Takes about 20 minutes to walk.
But are we over the border yet?
No.
Okay, we're still doing border things. Where is it? Where's the bridge?
We're about to walk on it.
There's a bridge somewhere. It's starting to look a bit different now.
It's the boundary.
Here we go. Look at this. Look at that, guys. How cool is that? US Customs. So here we are in Mel's Driving in Los Angeles. Started in 1947. Great place. The sisters arrived in LA. We're going back down to Mexico. We're here to renew visas, so we thought we'd do an American thing. What did you order, darling? Sunrise.
Sunrise.
This is my poached eggs. Lovely coffee. And Helen's got a non-colourful
slab of meat.
It looks good.
Okay,
We're in LA with some friends on New Year's Eve, and we're at this really swank joint, and I've ordered a beer and it's arrived in a like an old jug, and it's called the Firestone. It's from Firestone Walker Brewery. It's a Firestone Laponic Distortion number 11, and we'll give it a crack. It's an IPA. Oh,
I'm very mindful.
oh, it smells good.
How I put holes in between.
Right.
So very avoidable.
Oh man. Yeah, it's always. That's not bad. That's good. That is really good. It's about 8.5. Happy New Year. We're in where are we? San Diego with our friends Jean and Gary, and we've come down to have a look at their boat and have lunch, and they've taken us to an old English pub, and it is just like being back in England. They've got heaps of beer on tap. They've got a real English menu. It's faux Tudor styling with a fire cranking, and I've got a pint of old speckled hen. And as you all know, it's one of my go-tos.
Sorry. It was just, you said yours as well, right? Well with cheddar, and what else?
Not bad. That is not bad. Can't beat it. Cheers.
Would you care to let everybody know what's been going on the last 4 days?
We have been up to the US for New Year's Day and to renew our visa, and we're just heading back to Tijuana, drop the car off, hop on a domestic flight back down to La Paz this afternoon with another 6 months visa. Hopefully, touch wood.
Nearly at the airport. Just got to fuel up and then head over the bridge. Bridge border. Waiting for the flight now. Just got back from the airport. We're now back on Nutshell, and my darling sister has brought us all these lovely things from Australia. All the things that we miss or can't buy or just like. So pretty cool. And all of the spices and foodie things. Fantastic. What's going on, babe?
We all know how important good lighting is when you're on a project and cooking and stuff like that. And boats have historically always had incandescent lighting, like these little globes here. Then with the advent of LED lighting, we've all gone to these expensive puppies, you know, up to $30 for one that isn't a crap one.
So what did you think you could do?
So I thought I could make one of these from one of these, which are like $2, and one of these LED 20-watt LED from Home Depot, Bunnings, wherever you want to get one, because you end up with one of these ready to go. They work like this, nice and bright, 20 watts LED. They draw nothing. So what we do is get a plastic bag, put the globe into the plastic bag, we smash it like so, get a pair of pliers, pull out the hey little diddle like so, then get a soldering iron and unsolder these two bits and pull out the guts. So once you've cleaned out the middle of the bayonet fitting, just get the pins in this, make sure they're going to slip in nice and easy, line it up, and let's just pop them through a tad, not that much, solder it up, there you go.
How do you solder it? Do you go around the outside with the solder?
You put it into the portable vise, put your solder, put your glasses on, get your solder, and you just simply put in two beautifully constructed dots of solder.
And that's it.
Look at that. You want a nice shiny finish to your solder. There we go. Made.
What did that cost?
$6. It's not top of the wazzer, but it's better than it's.
Well, you can make 5, 6 of them for the same.
Yeah, a 20,000 hour life, and it's 20 watts, so it's nice and bright, and yeah, it's just fantastic, nice and simple.
So that's the old style one, which doesn't give out much light. And this is the new one.
And I've bought warmer light instead of the cool light which the other one was.
Oh,
Just
okay.
gives the boat, because it's an old model, old style boat with lots of timber work, a warm light looks nicer.
We're just about to leave La Paz. We got back from LA, provisioned the boat. Now we're heading off to a nearby island. Helen's got a fish!
It's a mackerel. Oh! We're just coming to shore and we found the frigate birds nesting. Quite stunning, really. They look prehistoric. Wow. Are they chicks? Are they chicks then?
And then the white-headed ones are boobies.
A beautiful place we've ended up at. Like there's lice all over these things. Look at that. I don't know what they are. I don't think they're crabs. They're very quick. Look. Just hopping around the bay, well, 3 bays. Around here, there's 3 fingers, well protected. Just up to there, so nice little sail around the corner, and then I think it's going to be very windy today, 30 knots, so we'll be tucked away in there. We'll do no messing up, the main and the head salt. Tootling along. Looks like Broad Reach, is that right, babe?
Broad Reach, yeah.
Yeah, look at the Magnus
Beam
has
Reach.
Beam Reach.
Broad
Beam Reach. Magnus has put that little telltale up for me. So now we've got the sail in the right place for the Beam Reach. Learning, learning, learning. This little island here has got good diving apparently, and also the eels bury their heads in the sand and sway in the breeze. Well, not breeze, what do you call it? Current. Magnus has just corrected me. Apparently they bury their tails in the sand. They're not ostriches that don't bury their heads in the sand. You ready?
Yeah. So what's happening, Wen?
We are going for a dive to clean the bottom of the boat, and we are using the hooker for the first time ever. I've never used a hooker, and we've never used this hooker. So just getting ready. It's a little bit chilly, but you know, us die-hard swimmers go in anything, so it's good. Magnus is staying nice and warm up there.
I'm dive master.
So yeah, gonna go and give her a clean, sort out her barnacles.
Now Wendy's going in. I don't think she's got enough weight. Definitely hasn't got enough weight. This is where we are, beautiful spot. I've just been for a kayak in there, it's magic.
Right, so they go in the water. So when they go in, do they go soft, or is it while they're sitting here they go soft?
While they're sitting there, they go soft.
Okay. Last one, so that's 10 on the little table in the saloon. How long do you leave those for?
You can start prepping them.
Oh, cool. So we've got a slice of avocado, mint leaf or 2 little mint leaves, bit of teriyaki chicken,
A cucumber.
and we've got the noodles going on. It looks so pretty. Pickled veggie that we made earlier. Well, Helen made earlier. I didn't. Then comes the lettuce, shredded finely.
So we've got iceberg here, but you can use cos.
Yeah, ready to roll then. Oh no, yes, is that it?
Ready to roll.
Okay.
Because we've let them sit, they go sticky. Best way to go is stick them down together like that.
Wow.
Over on one side, that way. One side that way. They've got a bit of give in them, so you pull it towards you and roll tightly. And then you end up with a roll like that.
Here they are, the dipping sauce. What do you reckon?
Very yummy. What are you up to, Wayne?
I don't know.
Wendy's launching the kayak.
No, I've never done it. Am I supposed to just throw it off the boat or what?
Yeah, but hang on to the string.
I've got the string.
Yeah, throw it off.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a bit heavy. Oh. It's a little bit awkward. Because I've got a sail in my head. Right, okay, launch. Magnus is telling me how this all works. So, we haven't given this thing a name yet. Oh yeah, we did. We wanted to call it Avo, but that's not a nut. It's not really a nut.
Shape of a nut.
Everything's named after nuts on this boat. So we'll think on that one a bit. So what's next?
Paddle.
The seat and the paddle. Gonna get the seat and the paddle.
So now you put the back into the kayak and then the side bits clip into the clips.
The paddle's girl way, which is
like that.
so they're the same each side.
Which is they're both vertical, both blades.
Yeah, or
Like that. Because when you paddle,
twist it over. So they're both opposites.
when you paddle, you naturally twist
Okay,
as you bring your. So
alright,
that's what I recommend you doing.
okay. Well,
These are to stop the water running down and dripping all down your arm.
oh, so my shirt will stay nice and dry then.
Right? So hands inside that, not outside.
Oh, okay,
Right?
yeah.
And that's the left, that's the right. because the writing's wrong.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I'm going to go in. That's going to tip, and I'm going to go down the gap. I know I am. Come in.
That's how you do it.
See, I'm a pro.
You're going to need your paddle,
Oh.
which is over there.
Oh, no, I'm going to fall when I get my paddle.
Got it, well done. Right, so there you go. Free and easy.
There we go. When did we last do this? I can't even remember doing this.
The last time we kayaked was in Bali,
Oops.
about 20 years ago.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that was just on the beach though. Not in a wild, barren, remote place.
See you next week.
This is pretty cool. Not getting wet at all much. Look at that pelican. There's nutshell. Interesting rock formations. Well, I made it. I got to shore and I'm in one piece. I've done that for about 15 years. So I'm going to show you under the water. The crab. Look at the crab. And there's a little one at the front here. Big one up the back there. Oh, look at that crab over there, just sitting there looking at me. Wow. There's another one under. Oh, there's 3 of them.
So how was your experience?
Oh, it's very pleasant. Oh,
Good, isn't it?
yeah.
See lots of birds?